Welcome everybody from my channel. Now I am going to discuss about how to create Google AdSense account properly. If you're new from my channel, please stay with me. At first I am going to discuss how to create a Google AdSense account. This account is eligible for YouTube and website. So don't skip any point in my video. At first you must be login a verified Gmail in your PC or relative device. Then you will be go search Google Chrome, Google AdSense. Then you get a interface. I'm going to back. Here is the Google face, and then you press Google AdSense. Here you will get your front page. Then you start it. Here is started using. Then is any option. So I go to under option search, choose. You will get a choose account. You must press choose account. Which account is? Then you get a AdSense from. Here is the AdSense from. On first, if you have a website, then you select. So I have not a website, and then I choose the I don't have a site yet. Get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestion. No, I don't want to customize helps and performance suggestion. This option, two option. If you do not want to get any customer suggestion, then you press there. If you want to get it, please yes. So I have yes. Your payment control territory. Here is the most important of issues. If you at first you must be selected your country, where you are living. Then so I am Bangladeshi, so I will choose my one country, Bangladesh. Here is Bangladesh. There is the I have chosen Bangladesh. If you want to another country, you choose your own country. Here is our terms and condition. Google AdSense service terms and condition. You must be read it all terms and condition. Here all terms and condition. Here I have read and accept agreement. So started using AdSense. Already this AdSense is ready to create, and you will be get another information under your payment option. Then use payment info. Here is the payment, add payment. Here is the name, must be fill up your name. If you want to bank account type, if you want to business, then a business option. If you want to individual, and here is name. My name is Naeem. That is the name. Address line. My name is Naeem Ahmed. Address line. Fullafara. Shahzganj city. Rajshahi, sorry, Rajshahi, Rajshahi, postcode, postal code, phone number, optional, then submit it. Set of billing information must be edited. There is the all AdSense publisher number, name, and manage the account. If you want to get another information, please stay with me, subscribe my channel, stay with me. Then I will show how to submit your tax information. Thank you for watching my video.